We are not so much pessimistic about the value, size, and even number of the IPO because we are expecting our government will show us there's some new, destinations or directions where they would like to go, rather than the traditional style of investment or expansion of the production facilities. In general, Japan, our government, will more focus on the new style of business model. That means we will look for the new technology, quite untraditional new style of business. In other words, we will see the more emerging new company with very unique technology. So they will naturally look for the capital.
So how will 2010 compare to 2009 if the value of listing was $500 million in 2009?
Usually we'll have around 60 to, in between 60 to 100. If we could have very exciting year, it's a little bit difficult things, but we will see the more than 100. As a very average, I can say we can expect in between 50 to 100.
The Tokyo Stock Exchange is planning its own initial public offering. What's the status on that? When's it likely to happen?
At least we had better register the consecutive 2 terms black figures or profit. We lost last year, and this fiscal year we don't know yet, but there was some incident, so still it is in the air. If we can materialize the continuous 2 terms consecutively profit black figure, we will not have so much sales problem to go public. I can say we have a still strong continuous intention to go public if the situation will improved.
The incident you're referring to is the 10.7 billion yen awarded to Mizuho Securities for a mistaken sell order. How concerned are you that because that case is dragging on, it's going to send a bad image of the stock exchange to people?
I tried to suspend or finish this past incident or scandalistic incident between 2 organizations, because we are in the middle of deflations, or everybody is struggling to find out a new growth or economy, bright economy. Why we use the important time or staffs or cost for this kind of, rather backward, the problems. But unfortunately, Mizuho filed a suit to the senior court, so we cannot, reject that one legally.
One member of the ruling party wants to introduce a bill to ban the listing of subsidiaries of companies. There's about 400 subsidiaries listed on bourses in Japan. What's your view of that?
At the expense of the subsidiary, sometimes parents are making money, vice versa. So I don't like this kind of trick. Rather, we recommend the parent company should absorb as a consolidated group this listed subsidiary company. In other words, we will lose a number of listing company in that recommendation. Nevertheless, I would like to make the more orderly market, fair market here. So if possible, I would like to recommend any of these 400 or so subsidiaries who are listed together with their parents had better merged with the parent company.